Hello everyone, welcome to another devlog. I know I haven't done one of these in a while. I've been kind of busy. So we have two items. First of all is this notebook, and second of all is posters. Both of these are in like pre-alpha testing. They're not ready, but you can try them out. Posters, you can find these. So if we go over here to next page, utility, you'll see Notepad is that one, and then picture frame is this one. Once you spawn it in, it'll have this default picture. You turn it around, click here, there's like a hidden panel button thingy. And here's where you can like change the size, right? So you can make it bigger. Here's how much you can change it by. And then index is how you like choose which picture you want. So in the future, I'll have a keyboard once I figured it out where you can just input the picture file name that you want. And so that way other people can add posters and you can just download them and choose from here. But for right now, for testing purposes, there's this index where there's an external file where like each PNG is labeled with like an index. And yeah, it'll just load whatever picture you want, and they vault safe, which is really cool. So you can like populate your whole safe house with posters. For example, this one like shows the bolt body of an AK. These ones are some really cool posters made by Wrench. These ones I found on Reddit. This is the Amendment 35. I think this one's historic because it motivated Anton to add some UAP variation. So same deal, you want to go to Browse Profile folder, but now instead of NGA Notepad, you'll want to go to NGA Profile Save folder. There should be a folder. If you haven't seen it, then create it yourself. Go into it, and now the only files that can be in here are PNGs, and you must name them by like the index. So like they have to be starting from 0 all the way up. And the mod right now doesn't come with any posters because this is just for test. But if you want to play around right now, just add a PNG. It has to be a PNG. Change its name to its index, and that's pretty much it. Another really cool feature is that if you have this whole filming thing installed, you can attach you can attach posters to physical things. So for example, let's grab this bolt, create a point. Now that point is stuck to the bolt. Let's grab the picture, animate it. We change it here. Its orientation. Here we change it to be right there. We hide the gizmo. Now every time we load it, it moves with it. Yeah, and you can probably make some cool video effects with this one. So if you bring it close to a wall, you notice it doesn't have any physics. If you want to really get close with it, spawn the toolbox right here and grab the rotator item, which you can use to like rotate things exactly. On the inside, it like steps. On the outside, it's very specific. And then you can toggle the buttons until you get this one, and then you can change exactly how it moves. And then with this one, you can move it around in physical space. It's notebook, which has like pages, and you can scroll up and down. And the only way right now to write into these pages is to go into an external text file, edit it, and then click read from text file. And then bam, it updates to whatever it was. I just updated it to posters. You can change the text size as well. Planning to update this one as well as this one once I figure out how to add a keyboard that allows you to edit multi-line code. So you can just like create your own little range card. This one isn't vault savable yet. So right now it only reads from this input file, which I'll show you how to update now. Right, so essentially what you want to do is click over here in settings, click browse profile folder. It'll take you here. You want to click on Bepinex, then plugins, and you want to find my mod, which is NGA Notepad. You click on it, and there should be a file named meme input. If there isn't one, just create a text document directly. Click into it, and then you can write whatever you want. You can use like HTML tags. Most of them work. And if you want to add another page, use this tag //NGA_next page, exactly like this. I also want to tease a new feature that WPO Tank has been working on and that I've been sort of debugging and changing, and it's like a new version of Third Law. You can see it still has those like physical effects every time this slide moves, and hopefully it comes out soon. If you want to check out some of my other mods, click the video on the screen.